In the valley low, you're the hope I know. When the shadows rise, I lift my eyes. You are my anchor in the storm. Your love is shelter, keeping me warm. You're my hope in the night. My hope in the night.
Creating gospel music and any other kind of music have been made easier by free AI tools. I'm going to take you step by step on how to create this music. So I head over to ChatGPT to create my prayer prompts. If you just have it, you can just use your own words, but I wanted a detailed prompt, so I asked for a prompt from ChatGPT and I said this: give me a prompt for a gospel music, and all that. I just explained it a little, but ChatGPT understood me. And now the next step is to head over to your browser and type in Gemini, and then you copy the first icon that says Gemini, Google Gemini. And then now you need to just create an account if you don't have, but if you have an account, you are going to be taken to this dashboard. You can see there's create image and create music. If that does not appear, you need to click on these two arrows here, and you can see there is image and there is music. So I'm going to just click on music, create music, and you can see pick a track to remix. And these are type of music you may want to create, and if you want to create one of this music, you need to click on that music and you create that type of music that is there. But as I can scroll up and down, there's no music I want, so I'm going to use my prompt. I'll just paste in my prompt there. I will cut the parts that I don't want, these parts here, the add ones, because I copied everything from ChatGPT. After doing that, just copy up and down. This part also I don't want it. Guys, remember to give this video a like, and then I will delete also this icon here. I will cut them, and then I will add this piece like that. Now I have my prompt and it is green. After doing that, I will click on this arrow, generate arrow, and I will give Gemini some seconds to generate the video or the music for me. Remember guys, this is free. It is 100% copyright free, and it is also very fast. Okay, you can see now the music generating with that is track. So that is my music being generated, and my music is ready, so let's listen to it.
In the valley low, you're the hope I know. When the shadows.
After listening to the music, you just click on the music. You can see there is download, and then there is audio to convert art, and then there is audio library mp3 track. So I would like an mp3 track, I don't want a video. Okay, so now the next step is to generate the video for our music. So we are going to ChatGPT and we give it this prompt: give me image generation prompt for all the verses and the chorus for the music, like that. So I'm going to click on send, and I will wait for ChatGPT to give me those prompts. And the prompts are here and they are ready. Verse 1, there is the prompt 1, prompt 2, and each verse has 2 prompts. Okay guys, remember, the more images you have, the more safe you are to monetize your channel. Okay, so I'm going to use Whisk AI to generate my images. So I'm just going to copy the first prompt and click on send. Choose the aspect ratio, click on send, and you can see my image is ready. It is here. So before that, now I need to paste in my second prompt. But remember guys, in my last video I showed you how to generate all these images in one or at once. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. Okay, first of all, let me delete this and generate my second image. This is for those who want just to continue with the old school process where you need to generate one image at a time. If you want to do that, it is still fine, but remember there is a way to solve it out to save time and to save energy. Okay guys, remember to give this video a like and also hit the notification bell. Now you can see the image, the second image have already been created, so I'll choose my first image. After that, now I need to go back to ChatGPT to regenerate my prompts, because this kind of prompts cannot continue in the next step or in the step I want to show you. So I'll say, give me the prompts without subtitles. I need them plain, just a differentiation or a line. Okay, you understand, in paragraphs. I need them in paragraphs. Okay, so now I'll click on send, and you can see these are my prompts. I'll click on the copy the light here, and then I'll go to auto hoist to generate my images. I'm just going to paste my images here, all of them are my prompts here, all the prompts at once. Okay, so you just paste them like that, and this is my prompt. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up. I will scroll up to the last prompt, and I want to click on generate or to start generation. So auto hoist generate all the images at once, because now we want at least 10. So I'll click on start, and then I'll click on continue with this project. Okay, I don't know why I just clicked, I don't like that, so I will go back. I don't know why it took me, I don't understand. Okay, now it is here, we are back. So I'm just going to click on, you can see it has started generating our images, and it is very fast. You can see down there, if you scroll, like you take this whatever down like this, you can see the images being generated in the background there. You don't need to leave this page, you don't need to close this browser, you need to stay there until all the images are generated. Okay, after that, all the images will be saved on the gallery of your device, and you don't need to download any image. You just need to wait for it to continue everything, and when it is done and at green tick, you will just know that the image have been generated. Okay, so as you can see here, the green arrow is, or the green color is moving very fast, so that means the images are being created very fast. And if the blue color is up to the end there, that will mean that our images are created, all of them. And you can see it tells you it is 10 out of 10 by now. It will start 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, and you can see done, and then now all done, and then you know all of them are saved on the gallery of your device. So to animate this, I'm going to use Meta AI. So I'm going to Meta AI. I will just upload my very first image, and then I'll just tell Meta AI to animate my image, just like this, animate my image. That is enough prompt for Meta AI. Meta AI is free at the time of recording this video. Okay, so I'm just going to send it like that. Even I'm not going to wait for it to generate, I'm just going to now animate my second image, and it is here, and I'm going to just write the same prompt, animate my image, and I will just click on the green tick, and I will continue. As you can see, the first one is being created, and the second one also is being created. Okay, now this is the step you follow up until you copy or you turn all the images into videos to be on the safe side for YouTube to monetize your videos. Remember to create as many images as possible and to turn as many images into videos as possible. And you can see now here is my clip, and just it have been saved on the gallery of my device. Now after creating all the videos, you need to edit them. I'm going to use InShot. You can use any editor app of your choice. So I'm going to add all my clips here. After adding all my clips, I'll click on this green tick, and then after that I need to click on audio, my music, and add my music there like that. And then you can add everything or anything that you want, any kind of effect, any kind of, even if you want to add subtitles, you can still add, because you know how they played with the with the music. Okay, now that is enough for today. I'm going to stop there, and then I will meet in the next video. Guys, remember to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell. I really love you. Bye bye.